So Clerk is an advanced tool that gives you a lot of options for manipulating products being shown in the various Clerk elements. And due to this, one of the questions we quite often get is, why is this particular result shown? And because of this, we've created the debug dashboard in my.Clerk.io, where you can now get full insight into exactly what is happening before a Clerk result is shown. So you'll find it here under Developers and Debug. And it's a dashboard where you can choose a specific endpoint like search or complementary products or whatever you're trying to find out why results are being shown for. And then it lets you simulate a call to Clerk while showing everything that happens before the result set is shown. So if we take an example on OmniSearch, we might want to see what's happening for a search for table, where I'm going to write that. I could also fill out some additional fields here in case there was something else I needed with a filter or a language or any other things you can send to the Clerk API. But for this simple example, let's just click Run Request. So what you'll see here is products debug info. You'll also see the actual products that we return down here. You'll see it for categories and pages and all of the other types shown by this particular API endpoint. The debug info that you'll see here is the entire list of things that are applied by Clerk before the result set is shown. So as you can see here, as an example, we start by doing a search and then we apply some synonyms. We can even click on View Metadata to see what is happening. It's the synonym tables being added. It didn't find any customized search rules, but it did actually find some merchandising campaigns, including the campaign name and the IDs and which triggers are used. So here you can clearly see that if you're not seeing the result that you expect, it might be because of a merchandising campaign that's being run here. So all of this is just to give you an overview of exactly what is happening underneath the hood before Clerk finally returns the results to be shown. And when you click on any of these here, you can see exactly the results that are coming out now, and of course also why. Different API endpoints will have different kinds of data, so if we're just checking, for example, the popular searches, they don't actually need any specific parameters to be sent, so you can just click Run Request and see exactly what comes back. Where others, like complementary products, might require a product ID or simply a product that you select here in order to investigate what is happening in this particular API call. The additional fields will also change. As you can see, we could change the limit, the filter, a specific visit ID, excluding products and labels. All of this is to make sure that you can actually simulate an exact API call that you see on the website to make it easy to understand exactly what Clerk does before finally returning the products. So mainly this will of course be used by developers, as you can see, but also maybe semi-technical people that want to get an understanding of exactly what it is that's happening. We also use it in Clerk support to figure out why a particular result set is shown if it doesn't show as expected.